Tuff Truck, and there he goes. He's on. He is a member of the Fair Board. There he goes. Here he goes. Oh yeah. Gets lined out. There he goes. Scotty's the only one that has bugs on the back of his pickup. Here he goes. Well, he lost a little control. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, man. He has a slow-moving leg on the truck, too. Y'all are right to Oklahoma City with this man. 2 days and 40 hours, 8 hours later, we got there. Here we go. Here we go, Scotty. A little better control on that corner than last time. A little smoother. Here we go. Here we go. I hope he winds it out this time so he flies. Here we go. Here he goes. He knows it's going to hurt. Watch his expression. Oh, boom. Yeah, way to go, Scotty Bob.